In this tutorial, we will learn how to deploy and host a front-end project on Vercel. Vercel is a cloud platform that makes it easy to deploy and host front-end web applications, static websites, and serverless functions. It is widely used by developers because of its simple setup, fast performance, and free hosting tier. First, open VS Code, then create a Vue.js project by following the commands along with me. This is a front-end page that I will deploy and host on Vercel. Then push the front-end project code to Git. First, create a new repository. And follow these commands along with me. Open a new tab, log into your Vercel account, and follow the deployment steps along with me. This is the final output of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.